In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily set up the gear guard feature on your Rivian. It's similar to the Tesla Sentry mode, and to access it, you're going to pick this little man icon. If you don't see that icon, just swipe up and you'll see the icon there. It brings you to this menu. If you see the clips like this, what you want to do is go to the settings, and then you'll see here is where the format is. By formatting an external drive, this allows you to continuously record or record if you use the horn or the SOS feature. The internal storage only picks up 30-second clips, and it's hard to access those externally. So moving up here to the center console, you're going to open it up. I have this upper tray in here, and then you're going to reach down in here and you'll see that there's two ports for the USB-C. I picked up this nice compact 1 terabyte solid state hard drive on Amazon. A link to this product is below in the description. You can see how small it is, and it comes with this nice short cable. I'm going to simply plug in the USB on this side and then the USB-C on this side here. Go ahead and plug that in. You can see here, you want to format the device if you haven't formatted it yet. You can see that it's formatting. It says it can take up to 3 minutes. Go ahead and speed this up. All right, it says it's complete. I'm going to hit done and then tap here to save clips. Honk the horn and activate the SOS button, and it will record those drive clips. This will really help you out if you get in an accident or there's anything suspicious. You can always refer back to the hard drive, and this really helps out and prevents he said, she said. So that's how you record up here. You can record all the time, or you can also shut that off and you can record on demand when you honk the horn or hit the SOS button. Now to access your clips, you can see here, this is the clip that I just recorded. And you can go here to the incidences, turn off. But this auto recording 2 minutes video events such as collisions and hard braking, this will really help out if there's ever an accident. It prevents he said, she said. You have your motion camera for different instance for motion. And then I'm not sure what this is, but I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.